68 years old. Yeah, yes.
Eating seasonal foods revolutionizes an athlete's game, believe me. These gems brim with nutrients and antioxidants that propel you to perform at your peak and recover swiftly. Throughout the year, you've got fresh options that not only boost your diet, but also harmonize you with nature. Knowing what's in season empowers you to stock up on antioxidant rich fruits, veggies, and grains. So, spring bursts forth with vibrant selections like leafy greens, asparagus, and strawberries loaded with vitamin C and flavonoids. These powerhouses supercharge your immune system and speed up recovery after you crush your workouts. As the weather warms up, hurl these into your salads, smoothies, and sides to soak up those antioxidants. Then comes summer, delivering a cornucopia of colorful fruits and veggies. Think berries, tomatoes, and peppers jam packed with antioxidants like lycopene and anthocyanins that help extinguish inflammation from your workouts. Craft fresh salads or grill up some seasonal veggies to inject a nutrient punch into your meals. Oh, and don't forget to hydrate with juicy fruits like watermelon to replenish those lost electrolytes after you sweat it out. Once fall rolls around, pumpkins, squash, and apples join the lineup. Besides being delicious, they're rich in beta carotene, vitamin C, and antioxidants to obliterate the free radicals from exercising. Toss these into your meals for enhanced muscle recovery and overall health. Roasting squash or chopping on apple snacks introduces you to new flavors while boosting your antioxidant intake. Winter may seem like slim pickings, but you've still got root veggies and citrus fruits to lean on. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and oranges are teeming with antioxidants to shield against oxidative stress, a must for athletes tackling the cold and needing extra recovery support. Whether you're crafting soups, stews, or roasting sides, these infuse nutrients into your meals, keeping you healthy and strong all year round. Only some people have the time or taste for seasonal foods, and that's okay. If keeping up with what's in season feels overwhelming or doesn't fit your lifestyle, there's another way to fuel your body with the antioxidants it needs to perform and recover like a champion. Our science backed, bioavailable supplements deliver the nutrients your body craves without the guesswork of seasonal eating. Packed with the right vitamins and antioxidants, these supplements ensure your body absorbs and utilizes every nutrient effectively so you can crush your workouts and recover faster. But how do you choose the right supplements? Our free guide, 7 Easy Steps to Finding the Right Dietary Supplements, is included here. It's a simple, step by step roadmap to selecting supplements that work for your health goals. Scan the QR code or enter website URL in your browser throughout this content anytime to access the guide instantly. Don't waste time on ineffective products or flashy marketing claims. Instead, make informed, confident choices for a healthier, stronger you.
All right, men 60 plus. Our only athlete over 60 years old this weekend. From CrossFit West Oahu, Rick McCamey. All right. right, there you go. These are your age group athletes.